Hi guys, I'm in Disney's Animal Kingdom. Today, we're going to see Zootopia Better Zoogether at Disney's Animal Kingdom. Let's go in. Morning.
Morning.
Thank you. Look, it's end of line. That's so cool. Hey, look, animals. Brown lemur. It's a lemur. Ducks. Look, look, I see extended queue. Come on, keep going. Come on, everyone. Gotta keep going. Come on. You have to keep going. Hello.
Thank you.
Come on. It'll be fun. You have to keep going. Come on. You gotta keep going. Come on. Gotta keep going. Come on. Keep going. Oh. Please do not feed the animals. Hey, look. That's cool. A feet. Hey, look, Sharon. That's a brand new nets. Hey, look, Alex. It's a brand new nets.
Yes.
Look, Damon. Brand new nets. Oh, cool. Beard.
3, 2, 1, smile.
Look,
Go.
beard.
Oh, people moved in the way. 3, 2, 1, smile.
Come on.
People are very.
Look, it's a brand new shade. But still waiting in line. What?
What's in your bag?
Wow, wheelchair.
Cool, huh?
Yes, thank you.
You're welcome.
Everyone is still waiting in line to watch Zootopia Better Together. New character, Heidi Howler.
We're all excited, right?
Yes,
I like the dinosaur.
yes. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hi. Look, brand new shade. Nets. With a wood and a net. Colorful net. I'm so excited.
Look at the ice.
See. Where?
Look at all the ice on the plants.
Let me see. Wow.
Icicles on the plants.
Wow. Coming. Oh, look! It's a lightning lane. We're inside a tree. Where should it go? She might be somewhere else.
I was gonna say, do we split up your guys' group?
Sorry, DV.
Oh, just one.
Just Sharon.
Come on, Sharon. Sharon, wait. Let's go, Dimon. Come on, Dimon. Let's go. He's right there.
Have you seen her mad when we go on Donkey Kong?
Look, brand new net.
No, he's not mad.
Colorful nets.
Like, did you have a fun time?
Look,
Say yes.
we have water spray. Do we need water spray?
I just want to find
The movement felt and fog spray. Sharon.
Right here, honey. You can stay there.
There she is.
You found it.
Sharon.
Keep going. Come on. Oh, hurry. Tree of Life Theater. It's a tree of
We fell behind. Oh, no, wait,
That's white in line.
Wait, what?
Hey, look, a dinosaur. Hey, look. Davey! Are you okay? Close it. Close the rope. You better keep going. Hey, look, a dinosaur. Look, it's a brand new poster from opening scene of Zootopia 2016. Wow, it's so cool. They're building it.
I just saw a Davies had to clear out like 7. It was like 4.
There's Happy Zoogether Day. It's so cool. Thank you. Trying to get their glasses. We're going to the entrance. What?
Are you gonna record? Are you gonna put that on YouTube?
Nope. Look, Alex, a monkey. Chimpanzee. Hello, chimpanzee. We're going to get their glasses. I'll go left. I'll go left, Sharon. Hi.
Maybe glasses go all the way.
Hi.
Thank you.
Thank you. Ah, glasses. Hey, look. A paw packed the first Zoogether Day. Wow. Hey, look, it's a Carrot Vision 3D. Carrot Vision 3D. Hey, look. It's a It's Gazelle concert. So cool. It's the real rodents of Luterodentia. It's Jumbo's Cafe. It's Duke Weaselton DVDs. ZVD, the big donut. Hey, look! It's Sam Otter. I got glasses. Sharon. Sharon, where are you? Sharon, where are you? Hey, look, Pandora.
So excited you're all here for our big Zoogether Day watch party. We've got about...
Okay, I got 2 glasses. Let's go to show. Dinosaur, you're wearing glasses? Good.
Before we begin, a big Zoogether Day thank you to our event sponsors. Burger, make it...
Hey, look up there. Look up there. It's Clawhauser.
We don't ask questions. And Wild Times Amusement Park, where families wear matching shirts. Thanks to the generous support of Hop's Family Farm, today's
How can we sit?
is presented in Carrot Vision 3D.
How can we sit here?
Because there's no room left over here. We're trying to go back up. Follow Daddy.
Okay, let's go. Come on, Dimin. There's Dimin. There it is.
No, you guys go. Sorry.
Water spray. Bling. Water spray.
Sit.
Where? I don't know how to sit. Here you go. How can I sit?
I think they overloaded the theater. Alive.
Somebody else have a counter that counts how many people, and I think they don't bother to count. They just.
Okay, everyone, I'm so excited. We're waiting for it. Here you go. Here you go. Are you ready, Timmy? Here you go. It's 3D. Here you go. 1. Ah! It's beautiful. It's beautiful. It's Gazelle. It's Heidi Howler.
Celebrate our communal existence, our shared environment, and our sacred.
It's beautiful.
One of you will kick off the show as our zoogether
It's a drone.
No, the slot.
Oh, I'm so excited!
Yeah, whatever it is. And what's your name?
It's Clawhauser.
Benji, you have the best seat in the house to watch it all go down. Now your job, press that big red button. Which one? Standard, okay.
This one.
Oh dear.
Don't hesitate.
Oh. Ah, wow.
Miss Howard? Are you okay? Say!
Oh dear. It's Sam. Sorry, Sharon.
Oh, Tundra Town!
Ah, Tundra Town. Oh dear.
Oh, there he is. Please welcome our cold weather correspondent, Kozlov! Kozlov!
It's ice skating. It's Kozlov.
Balance of nature. Zoogether.
Oh. Beautiful. It's snow falling. Oh, wow.
Oh, wow!
He's breaking the ice. Ah. Oh dear. Oh no. Oh dear. Oh dear. No.
Nick!
Hauser, did you
Look, Sharon.
Just breathe.
Alex, look. It's Judy Hopps and Nick Wilde.
Yep, no ifs, ands, or buts.
Uh-oh, polar bear stuck. He's trying to get out. Oh dear. Oh no, he's gone.
Take the smoke thing.
Well, I'm sure she's fine.
Oh,
The other celebrations could be
what is it?
Hauser, where to next?
Oh, on to Marsh Market.
Ah, Marsh Market.
Oh, donuts. No,
Stay focused.
on to Marsh Market. Celebrating the life-giving water.
Hey, hello. Hello.
Marsh's right up. Why sabotage Zoogether Day?
Okay, Jared, I'll check the pipes while you interview the witnesses.
Oh look, it's Nibble's Mabel Stick. It's Rush. Hey bub, hey bub. Ah! Uh-oh, no. Yeah! No. Oh, water. Ah! I got what? Uh-oh. It's Nick Wilde in a water slide.
Locked with wool.
Wow.
Where to next, Hauser?
Oh, little rodentia. Goodbye, sea lion. Look, Elliot. It's Frou Frou. It's Frou Frou and Mr. Big. Look, drones. Look, Alex. It's Mr. Big and Frou Frou. Uh-oh. Oh, no, oh, no. Oh, oh, no, oh, dear. Oh, dear, oh, dear, oh, dear, oh, dear, oh, dear, oh, dear, oh, dear. Donuts.
To save lives.
Oh no! It's a bad guys. Getting away.
Oh, Judy! Next is the concert!
Yay, Sahara Square. Ah, it's Gazelle. Let's sing. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. I will give up on my bed to the reach the end. Middle start again. I won't get out of there. I wanna try everything. I wanna try none and everything. Oh, it smells scented. It's Yax. So beautiful. Uh-oh. Dan. Oh no! Oh no, tornado! Oh no! Oh dear, Alex! He's windy! Gazelle's giant fan! Look, Alex, he stopped. Uh-oh, getting away. Uh-oh. Not again. He's gonna win again. Gazelle! Oh no. Oh! Uh-oh.
Oh, we lost it!
Oh no, connection lost. It's Heidi Howler again. Sorry, Sharon.
Zoogether Day is ruined!
Really?
Not the reaction I was expecting.
Ah! Uh-oh! Yeah! Uh-oh. Oh, look! It's Mayor Bellwether.
Judy. Figure yourself out, don't you?
Hey, can we skip the monologue?
Oh, let's all work together. Let's make the world a better place.
Where's
Yay! Wait, we never got our big finale!
Did someone say finale?
Gazelle!
So join me, B.I.Z.
Wowzer.
Let's hear you sing, Zootopia. For legal reasons, I cannot.
I'm dancing. Ah! I got wet. It's Nibbles Maple Stick again. It's Yax again. It's Chief Boko. It's Bubbles. Oh, it's Mickey.
I think they've seen why.
Great. We got. It's about to pot. Bubbles. It's Gary the Snake and a Sue. It's Finnick. Alex, Gazelle says goodbye, bye-bye. It's Flash the Sloth. Bye, Sloth. Bye, Flash. Bravo! 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 Fun of Zootopia. How's Zootopia better together? In 2 shows where I haven't seen it.
Thank you all for coming. I hope you enjoyed the show. If you found a short with you inside of our queue, you're going to find that short.
Hey,
That's Sharon.
Sharon, How's Zootopia better together? Where's a movement felt? There's movement felt. Sure. How's Zootopia better together? Good. Look, fog spray. We better hurry. Sharon, we better hurry. The everyone is mine turn. Sharon, hurry up. Keep going. Whoa! Water spray.
Inside of the theater. So once again, please don't stop in the middle. Make sure you're heading all the way down to the end of the row. It is a 3D show, so every single seat will be a good
Watch.
seat.
I'm spraying you. Watch. I'm drinking water. Hurry up, Sharon. Sharon, Colby says hurry. Hurry up, Sharon. Hurry up, Sharon. The everyone is still my turn. He says, oh look, it's Zoogether Day Live. It's Clawhauser animatronic. It's spiders. But drone's not here. That's just spiders. Hopper says spiders. Wild Times Amusement Park. Hop's Family Farm. Water spray. We did it, Sharon. Hi. How's the show?
It was really good. Did you like it?
Look, drop the glasses. Good job, Alex. Alex, how's the show? Thank you for watching Zootopia Better Together. It was so amazing. Time for lunch at the Dino Land USA.